Initially, we have done first letter pseudocode and first line pseudocode, which works on block level element. Today, we are going to do before and after pseudo elements, which are used to insert element before and after that particular element. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, this is div class. We are giving container, which we are going to create later. And in this div, I'm making one more div, and within this div I'm giving h1 heading 1, and here I'm giving, and we are closing this div here only. And after closing of this div here, I'm starting one more div, and in this div we are creating one list, ordered list. So this is our ordered list, and after closing of this div, here we are giving one more div, and within this div we are giving paragraph tag, and here in between I'm giving line break. Save it and go live. So this is how our code is looking in our browser. Now what we have to do here is, in head section I'm giving style tag, and here I'm giving body, and here I'm giving background color. Then we are giving font family. Here I'm using this one only. And one more thing we are giving here, line height, and we are giving it 12 pixel. Save it and go live. Okay, we have to change the font style first. And here we are going to increase line height to 15 pixel. Save it and go live. So this is how our page is looking right now. Now I want to center it. So here in head section, here we have created a class container. So here this is our container class, and in this class I'm giving position to absolute, and then top margin I want is 20 pixel, and left margin I want it to be we want to bring the text in the center of our screen. So I have given here 450 pixel. So now our text is in the center. Now what I want to do is, this is our heading and I want that its color should be red. So here I'm giving H1 and here I'm giving color to be red, or here I'm giving crimson. Okay. Then padding, I want it to be 30 pixel and okay, fine, right now. Save it and go live. So this is now red in color. Now this is our ordered list. I want to put new arrival here before this list. So for that, here what we have to do is OL, then we have to give before, we have to put it before, so we have to write it before, and then curly bracket. Here we have to give content, and within double quotes I have to give new arrivals. Whatever we want to give, we can give. And if you want to change the color of that text, that new text, that is new arrival, then color, I'm giving it red. And if I want to increase or decrease the font size of it, so here I'm giving font size to be 20 pixel. Save it and go live. So before ordered list, there will be a text that is new arrival. Now I want to put here some text that is hurry up. So what we have to do is, that is a paragraph. This is our paragraph, and after this paragraph I have to give, so instead of before we have to use after, and as this is our paragraph, so we have to use p tag. So here I'm giving p and it is after, so we have written after here. Now again same thing, we have to give it in content, like hurry. Then we need to change its color, so for that here I'm giving blue. Background color we too want to change, I'm giving here aqua. Then font size, here I'm giving it as 20 pixel only. And font family we too can change, here I'm giving it this one. Save it. We'll get to see that this hurry text will be after that paragraph. So here we have got this text. Now we want to put an image here. So for that, we want to put it after h1 tag, that is this, after this book we want to put image. So what we have to do is, here we have to give h1, as we have to put that image after h1, then we have to write after, curly bracket, again content, then within double quotes we have to give that image URL. So Our image is in same folder. I'm using this th1.jpg. So we have to write URL within single quotes th1.jpg. This is our image, and save it and go live. Now this image is too big, we want to set its size. So this way we can't set its size. So what we have to do is, if we don't need to set the size of image, then this thing is okay. If we need to set its size, then here we have to put this thing empty, and here below this we have to give background image, and in this we have to give URL, then single quotes. This is our image address, image URL. After that we have to set the size, background size to cover. Then we have to set the, now we have to set the width of image. I'm giving it 100 pixel, and the height of image is also 100 pixel. Then we have to give position to absolute. And save it and go live. Now we want to give some space, like we want top margin to be 30 pixel. It is covering this new arrival, and we want that image should shift a little up. So what we have to do here is, here I'm giving top margin to be 30 pixel, and left margin, from left side we want to shift it. I'm giving it 150 pixel. Save it and go live. So it has shifted here. Now one more thing, we want to increase the gap in between these lines. So here line height I'm giving is 25 pixel instead of 15 pixel. Save it and go live. So we can see that there is a space between two lines. So this was our before and after pseudo element.